Over time your headlight lens will get a bit hazy and yellowy. This car is 16 years old and you can kind of see it here. So today I bought this headlight restoration kit in Halfords. It was around 30 odd euro. I didn't fancy masking up the bodywork of the car, so I just popped out lights, which you can do on the Boxster and the 911. Pretty handy. Looks a bit weird, eh? So basically this stuff is like rubbing compound for your headlight. So you rub this in, bit of elbow grease, rub it off, and then you spray on this coating, which you can see kind of makes it look better, but also it protects it from UV. You can see the difference here between the treated one on the left and the untreated one on the right. So pop them back into the car and you can see they look a lot better. But it's not just about aesthetics, it should also improve your illumination at night. All in all, I think it's a good purchase, worth a bit of elbow grease, and you can see the improvement, and yeah, I'd recommend it.